it was before the dawn of Facebook. So before Facebook, people used the forums. Now there was this guy who was ranting about one of our instructors. So of course he didn't name who the instructor was, but it was so obvious who it was. So I was saying this, that, and here's the funny part. I actually agree or agreed with what he was saying. It was legit. But what was wrong there, at least in my opinion, was he didn't even talk to that instructor or to the other senior members about his issues. What he did was he posted already on the forums, and now it was out in the open. Some of you guys do that on social media. Like if you have an issue with, even especially let's say restaurant owners, they're victims of this a lot. Someone didn't like your food, instead of asking the waiter or even the cook or the manager, hey, how come this is what happened? They rant right away. You have to give these people a chance to correct the situation. Now, if you feel that you had, if you, even if you have, let's say you have valid points, okay, and you feel, because this also happens, that it's being put aside and you're being gaslighted, then yeah, sure, go ahead. Go to social media if that's what you want. I still wouldn't advise it. Go ahead if that makes you feel better. But I highly suggest, if you have any issues with your training partners or your coaches, or how you're, or even the culture of your team, ask first. Okay. Now, if you feel that it's a situation that can't be rectified, then maybe that's not the team for you. Then just leave.